I'm coming to ask about if any Coptic person here in Iceland, because from the aims of our churches to search about any Coptic person in all the world to take care of him. It is the first. And second, also to build contact between our Coptic church in Sweden and Iceland church here.
How many Copts are living in Sweden?
More than about 2,000 persons. We have about 500 families and about 150 single persons.
And they are all originally from Egypt?
From Egypt, all of Egypt.
And where do you come from in Egypt?
I am from Alexandria. It is a beautiful city in Egypt, very beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.